Hillbilly Nitro, your internet knife guru. Here we are, guys, back with another episode, The Walk and Talk, episode 112. And yeah, we got a special one here today, guys. This is making history right here. I'm officially going to retire my Emerson EDC here, everyday carry. Yep, we've had a good run with her, but I think it's time to start a new one. I've been carrying this for right at about 4 years every day. It's been with me everywhere. So that old Emerson skull, they're all worn. She's been a good one. The lockup right there is not very good, kind of wiggly. It's been like that for quite a while. It still works, but I may send it off to Emerson and get a new liner in there. We'll see about that. But I guess you've probably seen in the title what we got going on here, and I'm stoked about it. So let's open her up. Enough of that yakking. Purchased this at the Knife Center. And I'm telling you guys, it was here quick. They got some fast shipping. I'm stoked about getting this Paramilitary 2 in my pocket. Been wanting one of these for a long time. Like I think I said in the Para 3 lightweight video that I did a while back. That was not mine. This will be my first Spyderco knife. Got it all wrapped up. We gotta make sure we ain't got no classified info here. I'm sure we will right here. Yep. So we'll get the classified info out of here. There we go. That beautiful red and black box. There's your numbers there. Spyderco. Cool beans. Nothing else in the box. So we're going to take this up, give you guys a look here. Do a little comparison. I've got my 940 out here too for a little comparison. Got the scales out. Look at that, guys. Look at that. I like that camo pattern there. That's some official digicam. What a beauty. Look at that. I love a nice black blade. And this DLC coating on these blades is supposed to be pretty good, pretty tough. Doesn't bother me if it gets wear on it. You see my Emerson there, so I'm very hard on my everyday carry knives. I do whatever with them. I don't baby them. So let's take a look around her and we'll open her up, guys. Blade centering is perfect. A nice flow through design there. Won't catch a lot of dirt in there. Very nice. There she is. I got to hold one of these from a buddy of mine it's probably been about 1.5 years, 2 years ago now. He had one of these in his pocket. He was wanting to see my Emerson. And I tell you, I got it in my hand and I loved it. I was torn between that plain satin finish blade. I believe it's a satin finish. But anyways, I went with the black. I like my blades to be non-flashy. Not that satin finish is very flashy, but let's open her up, guys. Let's see here. Oh yeah. That felt great. Look at that. Golden, Colorado, USA, Earth. Spyderco CPM S30V. I love some S30V. That's what this is, which I don't really carry my Benchmade anymore. I don't like their political donations, so that's another video. But anyways, look at that, guys. That is a beauty. Let's get you some weights and measurements and we'll run through there. There's that. I like this lock here. I love that Para 3 that I had, and that's the first time I'd get to check out this lock really, and man, it's sweet. So, okay, we'll get the scales out here. There's 100 of these videos out here with the weights on it and everything, but I'm gonna do my own. There's your grams there. My scales will not go over into ounces. So there's your weight in grams. You can look up a conversion table and convert that over. I'll give you some measurements here. I didn't bring my calipers out, but I got a tape out here. Calipers are in the new Liberty safe. If you hadn't seen that safe video, I'm gonna link it in the description, and you go check that video out. As I do a little safe vlog for you guys, take you along on my purchasing of a Liberty safe. Almost 5 inches there, about 4 3/4 there. There's your close. I just noticed that lanyard hole is blackened out too. I didn't know that. Like that. I'll give you the overall. Come on now, stay there. 8 1/4 overall. Here's our cutting edge. See if we can get it here. Right, almost just under 3 1/4 on the cutting edge there. 8 centimeters, as you can see there. Overall would be 3 1/2. Very nice. Now, I tell you guys, first thing that strikes me is I thought this knife would have a little more weight to it, but no. It feels nice and light. I mean, it's not like super lightweight, but I figured it might be a little heavier. Emerson is definitely heavier. I'll show you the weight on that Emerson here, just to give you a little comparison. Of course, it's got some paracord on there and that little skull, but an Emerson is, we can get that on there, 153.8. Then you throw this on there, 107.5. There's a difference there. Here's the Benchmade 940 there. Company that shouldn't be named. 81. It's pretty light too. And it's got S30V on there. But here's your little thing about my Benchmade here. One little weak link on these Benchmades is that axis lock. Those Omega springs rub up against the inside of these aluminum scales and they break. This has been broke for a couple of years now, and I've just never sent it back. Benchmade's got pretty good customer service. They'll take care of you, but I've just never sent it in because I don't carry it anymore and don't plan to. 940 Osborne. I'll compare it up there to it though. And we'll get you up here next to the Emerson. Look at that. I love that blade on this Spyderco. This is the spear point version. This is a CQC-7. I think it's CQC-7 AW. Yeah, for the spear point. Good knife, but my problem with this knife is now, for whatever reason, it will not hold an edge. You know, Emerson keeps their blade steel a tad on the soft side for ease of sharpening in the field, but it will not hold an edge. It's kind of tough to get an edge on it, and when I get the edge on it, it won't hold it. I'll cut one thing and it's dull. I mean, it'll hold maybe a serviceable, can't speak today, a serviceable edge there for a little bit, but that's at best. I mean, I don't know if the heat treat's off on it. I don't know. Maybe I've sharpened past the heat treat. I really don't know, but that 154 cm, it won't hold an edge, and that's crazy because that's a good blade steel. You see, I've carried her. Always in my pocket. But anyways, back to the subject here. Look at that, guys. That is just a beauty. This closer up here. I about went for the liner lock. Look at that nice jimping there. It's kind of directional too. It grabs you there. Very nice. Good traction on that G10. My Emerson's wore down a little bit. It's still there a little bit, but it's kind of wore down. Of course, that'll probably happen with this one too, but very nice. Well, I'm stoked to get this in my pocket. I can't wait to get another. I'm gonna have to give me a bead there. I gotta have a scully bead on my knives. As you can see, got one on here too. I like my pirate skulls too. The old cadet there. Anyways, guys, I guess that's gonna wrap this one up. I thank you guys for stopping by and hanging out with me and checking out this new piece of history that's going in my pocket. I don't change my EDC knives up very much. I may throw a slip joint in my pocket every now and then or whatever, my cadet, but I always keep a folder on me. Always. Centering is on the money. I like this pattern too. This pattern's it changes with every knife. It's nothing consistent, so I like the pattern set up on there. And I'm a fan of all camo and stuff. I like all the military camos. That's gonna wrap it up, guys. I think what we'll do, one little thing for you here. I'm gonna cut some paper for you, just to check it out. Oh yeah. Look at that. Oh yeah, that's us, guys. We're in there like swimwear. Well, that's gonna wrap it up, guys. I thank you for tuning in. There's the Spyderco Paramilitary 2. Over and out of here, guys. Catch you on the next one, guys. Peace. What a beauty.